It has been nearly 7 months since Hurricane Michael slammed into the Florida Panhandle, and many people living there are still trying to put their lives back together. The Category 4 storm made landfall in October, killing 43 people and causing more than $6 billion in damage.
And remember Florence? That hurricane hit South Carolina and then made its way up the East Coast, causing more than $607 million in damage. That includes $125 million in agricultural damage. More than 2,000 homes were damaged by flooding in the northeast part of the state. Just a few hours ago, the hurricane forecast for this year was released. Meteorologist Grant Gilmore gives us a look at what we can expect to see when the season begins in June.
Colorado State University issued their forecast for the 2019 Atlantic hurricane season today. Now, they are the leading research university for tropical meteorology, and here are their numbers. 13 named storms, a forecast for 5 hurricanes and 2 major hurricanes. And when you compare that to the average, it's near normal, maybe slightly below the normal. But when you look at the last couple of seasons, it is actually lower than what we've seen here recently. In 2017, we had 17 named storms, 10 hurricanes, 6 major hurricanes. Just last year, 15 named storms, 8 hurricanes, 2 major hurricanes, those being Florence and obviously Michael. So when you look at the big picture for the forecast, at least from Colorado State University's standpoint, yeah, it would be less than what we've seen here recently, at least over the last couple of years. It's important to remember, though, it only takes one storm to have a major impact on an area regardless. Here are the names that we're going to be using for the 2019 hurricane season. The hurricane season officially begins on June 1st. We'll be checking in live with Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins in the 6 o'clock hour, where he's in South Padre Island, Texas, where these forecasts were just released today. We'll check in with him in just a bit.